Hello students, so let's try to solve one more problem from IIT JAM 2025, and this problem is one of the beautiful problem. So what is given? So there is a long chain is lifted vertically from flat ground of height to a height h with a constant speed v by a force of magnitude f. Assume that length of chain is greater than h and that is has uniform mass per unit length is rho. The magnitude of force at height h is we have to calculate this particular value. So it is given that the length of chain is more than h. So what is meaning of that? So students, meaning of that, we have a ground and some part of chain is on the ground and we have height h, and this point has velocity v, as well as we are putting some extra force this one. So this force will balance the weight of this particular chain, whatever the length is there, as well as it is also provide the velocity v. So it has to do two work here. So let's try to go for this particular force equation. So this force is nothing but we have dp upon dt, that is rate of change of momentum, and we can write d upon dt mv. So what is this value? So this value is written as m dv upon dt plus v dm upon dt. This particular thing I can write m dv upon dt plus v, and we can write dm upon dx, and here we can go for dx upon dt. Now here we can write this m dm upon dt, m dv upon dt is actually just equal to this particular weight of this particular chain. So this value is equal to, obviously we can write in form of density. So this value is rho g and h, because this is linear density. And here if dm upon dx is rho, so we have v, and dm upon dx is equal to rho. And what is your dx upon dt is nothing but what? V. So what will be answer? So this is your capital H. So this value is rho g h plus rho v square. So yes, the answer is A is the correct option. So here you can just see this, how you can go for the do this thing in the examination. You have to always try to understand this force have two work. One, it has to just lift up to height h, and it has to also give some velocity v. So that velocity will be coming from the changing of its mass continuously. So this is wonderful problem. You can solve this type of problem again and again. Thank you.